Hey y'all, welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it, we get straight to it. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I am Lee. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do this signature look before I go to work in under 10 minutes. So if y'all with it, let's get it. So the first thing that I do is make sure that my skin is prepped. I did that in the bathroom before I even sat in this seat. And I did use Unseen Sunscreen, which has a primer in it. Make sure you use products that have multi-layers. I'm gonna go in with Haus Labs Foundation today in the shade 500. This next step is a multi-layer step. This is where I spend the majority of my 10 minutes. I'm gonna take my concealer in the shade Hazelnut from NARS. It is a oldie but goodie. While this is drying down, I'm going to do my brows. If you're one of those girlies that do not need to come in, lucky you. But that is not my ministry. Step number 3, take your brow pencil, honey, and work smarter, not harder. Tip, if you wear glasses, get you a mirror that is a little bit smaller. Bring it in, sister, bring it in. Go a little bit closer and you define those brows. Remember, these are sisters and not twins. This is what I feel like people see the most in this signature makeup look. So you want to make sure you take your time and get these right, which is why I said this is where I spend the majority of my time. When I get ready to move to the next step, you'll see why. Don't skip this. There is a method to my madness. Let me tell you something about this concealer. This used to be my go-to. I have since pulled this back out and realized why this has been the GOAT. When I look at myself under different lighting, this looks amazing. Step number 4 is to blend everything together. This is why I said there's a method to my madness. You want to save time when you start to blend. I put it up under my eyes right here, blend it all in at the same time. That's my method. It works. Let me know if you do this already. I'm going to blend it to give my brows that soft touch. Step 5 is optional. I'm going in with my lighter shade of NARS. This is in the shade Armand. This is a step that you can skip. Then we'll move on to this next step right here, which is to put on some bronzer, because honey, Patrick Todd knew what he was doing when he did this. I use an angled brush. I like to start right here on my hairline, patting that in right on my hairline. Getting it right here, cheekbone snatch. Turn the brush to the side. Next, we're going to set our eyelids down because we don't want eyelid creasing. Make sure you tap it off so you don't get that fallout. Go in with the middle shade of my bronzer, pat it on the outer corners of my eye, and then bring it in. That's it. Too easy. Period. Now, take my pointed brush, because I know y'all probably wondering, when is she gonna get this off her face? Now I am. And I wanna go in right here. But I take my small mirror and look up. Anybody that's been rocking with Lee for a while, y'all know this is something I say all the time. Make sure you look up so that you can try to prevent any creasing. Baby, we are halfway through this look. So if y'all stuck around, y'all gonna do it. Take your little triangle powder puff. See how much product on there? That's it. Patting it off on my hand like this. And we gonna set it off on the left. Y'all set it off on the right. Y'all set it off. Come on, y'all set it off. We put some concealer up here on our foreheads. Make sure we setting everywhere we put concealer at this point. I do set a little bit into my brows just for that ombre effect. We already set our eyes down just a second ago. So y'all get it? Y'all see? When we start to set, we're nearing the end. If you have not already gotten into these, I don't know what you're waiting on. This next step is a must. It's blush, honey. Get you these 2 items right here, NYX Blush and this RT 400. Both of these together, T. You want to go right on top of where you put your bronzer, small circles, boop, 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 boop. See that? I know. Beautiful, beautiful. I like to take mine up because I like my blush to go all up into there. Yup. If you are a blush girly, you just keep adding more. I do have my Huda Beauty in the shade Cinnamon Bun. I don't want smile lines all day. So I'm gonna let it sit. And when I want to do my fake contour, hence fake contour, I will go ahead and do this to pretend like I have a contour line there. When I want to do my real contour, I will do it with my concealer, but I'll do my makeup in a different manner. Remember I told you about working smarter, not harder? While that is sitting, get our primer. Make sure you have a primer. I love this primer. This is Morphe's Big Lash Primer. Order it. This is great for beginners because you can actually see your primer. Here is another one that I do like by Maybelline, Sky High. It's the primer also, but this one comes off blue. So you can tell if you've covered it up with your mascara or not. Fun fact, before I read the packaging and realized that this was a primer, I thought it was really a mascara. I left it on just like that, blue, because I wanted my lashes to be blue. True story. I use multiple mascaras because I like layers. Y'all comment below. Tell me if there was something you would have done differently. Talk to me nice. And if anyone can truly recommend a product that is like the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Hazelnut, has to be in that shade Hazelnut. Y'all let me know. I'm looking for something larger. preferably less expensive than NARS for the price of it. Make sure y'all starting at the base and wiggling up, honey. Do you have a signature look? That's what I want to know. What is the one go-to product that you must have, that you always keep? Talk to me, let me know. Then I'm just taking my favorite Sephora brush. I love Sephora brushes. I don't take any of the powders off. I push them into my skin because I'm gonna set it down just like that. I'm gonna go in with my Fresh Rose Instant Spray, my Airbrush setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Draw that down, add the highlight. All right, this is from Kiss. This is a glow and bronze powder, but it's for your body as well as your face. I typically just use it for my face. It is beautiful. It works. I'm gonna put on a little lip just because. All right, y'all, so this is a little recap. You put on your foundation, put on your concealer. You wanna let that set while you go ahead and define your brows. Blend it all out at the same time. Put on your bronzer. Set your eyes down and then put some bronzer onto your eyes. Put on your blush, honey. Make sure you get that NYX because it is the bomb.com. Go ahead and set down the rest of your face. Do your setting spray and then your highlight. That's it. Done. Tell me what y'all think. This is my signature look that I do every morning before I get ready to go to work in under 10 minutes. Too easy. Hope you got that. If not, y'all leave me some comments, some questions below, and I will get back with you all. I love you, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.